Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rosa Febrianti. My number is 223501010. So I made this video to fulfill an assignment from Mr. Muhammad Fadli SPD MPD with the pronunciation practice. Listen, silent letters. The following letters can be silent in the pronunciation of some words A, B, C, D, E, F, H, K, L, M, C, T, W. In most cases, whether or not a letter is silent depends on its relationship to the letters that surround it and the position of the letters in the word. Here are some examples with rules where it is possible to give them. A is usually silent in exclusively at the end of the word. Example: practically, basically, radically. B is silent in the combination M-B at the end of a word. Example: climb, thumb, numb. B is also silent in the BT at the end of the word. Example: depth, doubt, search. C is silent in the combination SC before the letters A and Y at the beginning of a word. Example: scan, scan, set. C is usually silent in combination SC in the middle of a word. Example: discount, discipline, fascinate. C is also silent in sickle at the end of a word. Example: muscle, pascal. D is usually silent in the words handsome, catness, Wednesday. E is usually silent at the end of word, but not for example in maybe. Example: true, believe, value. E can also be silent in the middle of same word. Example: every, vegetable, evening. H H is silent in H and at the beginning of a word. Example: gnome, gnaw, gnat. H can also be silent in GN at the end of a word. Example: design, for age, resign. H is also silent in combination GHM at the end of a word. Example: diaphragm, diaphragm. H, A. Both G and H are usually silent in combination H in the middle of a word. Example: night, egg, neck, bird. H can also be silent in a combination H at the end of the word. Example: hike, seek, taupe. H silent in a H at the beginning of a word. Example: rhythm, rhetoric, rhinoceros. H is also silent in H at the beginning of a word. Example: ghost, ghetto, ghastly. H is silent in those words too. Example: her, school, harness. K is silent in can at the beginning of a word. Example: knowledge, knife. L is usually silent in the combination of al, old, and alm at the end of a word. A combination al at end of the word. For example, calf, half, behave. L in combination al at the end of a word. Example, alk, talk, talk. Uh, L in combination O at the end of the word. Example, yolk, folk, uh, L in combination old at the end of the word of a word. For example, shawl, cold, and wool. L in combination all at the end of a word. For the example, calm, palm, salmon, and is silent in combination and at the end of a word. For example, dam, salon, and hymen. P next. P is silent in the combination ps at the beginning of a word. For the example, psychology, pseudonym, psyche. Uh, P is also silent in Pn at the beginning of a word. For the example, pneumatic, pneumonia. P is silent in this word. For the example, cupboard, corpse, raspberry. S is silent in the words below. For the example, island, isle, Bordeaux. T is silent in word ending in stand, listen, fasten, hasten. T is silent in words ending in style. For the example, castle, westle, disco. T is also silent in the word below. For example, often, soften, Christmas. V is silent in word at the beginning of a word. For the example, right, rap, wrong. V is also silent in the combination "wu" at the beginning of many words. For the example, who, wool, whoosh. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.